Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to back up chats in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do you know that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device? In case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. What we want to do simply is to back up our chats. Now let's begin. On the top section, next to the WhatsApp, at the rightmost, you will find these three dots. It's a button, simply click on it. Something like this will open up. Do you know that you can create new groups and broadcast from here as well? Let's go to settings. Now among all these options in the settings, simply scroll down and let's go to chat. Now once you're in the chat, do you know that you can change the themes, the wallpapers and everything? Let's scroll down and you'll find something like chat backup. Do you know that right here is the backup option, and to backup, your Google account should be connected. I'm gonna click on this Google account button right here. Now it's prompting me to select an account. You guys select your account as well. And there you go, it's authenticating with Google. Now it's gonna ask for my confirmation. I'm simply gonna scroll down and click on allow. Now as I have added my Google account, let's move on to frequency. Click on this frequency button right here. And it's gonna show up something like this. It's gonna show up whether you want to back up daily, weekly or in a monthly basis. Choose whichever one is most suitable to you. I'm gonna click on weekly. And right here is include videos. As I want to back up my videos as well, I'm gonna toggle on this button. And once everything's okay, I'm simply gonna hit on backup. As you can see, our chats are being backed up in our Google account. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.